Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to disconnect Coinbase wallet from connected site, the app. So let's get started. Open your Coinbase wallet, and after that click on this on your profile by the left here, and then after that click on this your J icon. Also click on it. Now click on your wallet here, click on that. Also click on the wallet. Scroll down. Once you scroll down, you're gonna see connected the app here. Click on it. Now we have two sites. Is it the website or the mobile one? So guys, if you want to delete any connected day apps here, you'll be able to see it there. But you can see presently I do not have any connected day app on both my web and my mobile. So if there's anyone here, they're going to display here. Once you display, you're going to see three dots here. Just click on the three dots and you'll be able to delete it one by one. And if you go to your mobile too, you'll be able to see your connected the app. They have connected will appear here after you started using your wallet. But right now I do not have any connected the app, so there's nothing for me to do. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.